Logitech G is back with a new flagship among mechanical keyboards. Today guys, we're gonna dig into the box, see what's inside, feel, squeeze, and yeah, figure out what illuminates and not. Today guys, we are going to unbox the all new G513 Carbon gaming mechanical keyboard. Coming up. Welcome back my friends, Robin here on Chips Media, bringing you the best tips and tools for gaming. On this channel you'll find PC components, tech gadgets and console accessories, as well as product reviews and unboxings just like this one. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing. In this video we're gonna be unboxing the all new G513 Carbon from Logitech G, and with that said, let's get started. So focused on innovation and quality, Logitech designs personal peripherals to help people enjoy a better experience with the digital world. They started in 1981 with mice, which provided a more intuitive way of interacting with a personal computer. They soon became worldwide leader in computer mice and have reinvented the mouse in dozens of ways to match the evolving needs of PC and laptop users. Guys, just to give you an understanding, this is the MX518 from Logitech. I bought this mouse 12 years ago, believe it or not. It is a little bit dirty, I'm sorry for that. However, it's still working. Well, sometimes it works. Right now it's having a bad day. Let's just put that aside. Anyway guys, this is the G513 Carbon from Logitech. This is a high-performance gaming keyboard delivering a promising 1 millisecond report rate and featuring choices of advanced Romer G Tactile and Romer G linear mechanical switches. This particular board rocks Romer G Tactile. We got full Spectrum Rgb combined with LIGHTSYNC technology, which takes the lighting experience with your game to a whole new level. We got an aluminum alloy, which enables a blade-like chassis with a beautiful brushed aluminum finish. And what else do we got? We got RGB, obviously 16.8 million RGB, customizable per key lightning. What else? We got choice of mechanical switch. We got two different Romer G switches here, and according to Logitech they should be around 25% faster than standard mechanical switches. We got a memory foam palmrest included in the box. We got a USB pass-through, and yeah, we got full function keys. We got media and lightning control, dedicated gaming features. We got a game mode, onboard memory, and we also got 26 key rollover and anti-ghosting. Guys, I'm psyched. God damn it, can't hold it any longer. Let's open the box. Also, I hope this keyboard is able to fit inside the camera frame. I am going to order a new camera soon, guys. Just bear with me. All right, here we go. Got that out of the way. We got a black box. Black box, not that much happening, and boom, right? Is that how you say boom? Boom again, boom, boom. Right, let's see if I can get this out of the box. This is the part where I'm gonna have to edit a lot. Try and get all the stuff out of the box. Okay, so we got oh, these aren't even stickers. All right, so this is the good stuff. We got the palm rest, which we're gonna look at in just a second. Let's put that aside. And we got the braided. Yeah, let me know in the comments, guys, what particular board are you using right now? I want to know. Here we go. All right. Oh, the smell of new technology. It is killing me. I mean, this smell is taking over the room. Let's just give the RGB a go. So this is the additional keycaps, guys, as you can see. I got a puller as well. So we got additional keys for the most critical keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We got Q, W, E, R, and we got A, S, and D as well. I'm gonna leave that for the review. And this is the palm rest. So we got two ports here with the familiar G logo on them. Let's connect it. Illumination, here we go. God damn it. You know what? Let's just see if I can. This is definitely a pretty heavy board. Gotta like the new keycaps. And this is what the switch looks like. There we go. All right, let's have a look at the palm rest as well, right? Maybe. Oh wow, that's it guys, that's it. That's the unboxing of the G513 from Logitech G. Now there's gonna be a full review coming up in the upcoming days. Expect the review within the next upcoming days. Also guys, let me know your favorite Logitech peripheral. Alright, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Robin here on Chips Media. Full review coming up in the next couple of days. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time guys, have an awesome day. Alright, bye.